everybody. I'm Oludunke Angela Olua. Good morning. And today, guess what we'll be doing? We'll be doing fractions and percentages. But I'll start mainly from fractions. So now, what do you understand by a fraction? Fraction is a part of a whole. A part of a what? A part of a whole. So we have common fractions. Fractions like 1 over 2, 1 over 3, 2 over 4, 5 over 5, 5 over 6, 6 over 7. Now those are common fractions. Like now, let's say we have a triangle like this. I know we all did this in primary school. So now this part is shaded. Then I ask you what fraction of the figure is shaded. Now, how many parts do we have? One, two. We have two parts, right? You write over two. Then how many parts were shaded? How many parts is shaded? Only one part. So now that means 1/2 was shaded. Now, do you understand? 1/2 is also known as half. One half. Do you understand that? One half. Now, 1/3 is known as 1/3. What did I say? 1/3. Now, most people will actually want to confuse you and say 1/3 is 1/3. Do you understand me? But this is actually one wrong. 1/3 is one, then a third. One times a third. One just like multiplication. You know when it's like when they join two English language, one and third, a third. 1/3 is like a third of something. So we have 1/3. If they say 2/3, 2/3, 2/3 is two. Then 2/3, that's 1/3. You know a third is 1/3. So that's you have 2/3. That means 2/3 is what? 2/3. If they say 1/4, 1/4 is one. Then 1/4 is what? 1/4. So that's 1/4. Do you understand this? So now this now is known as the what? Numerator. The numerator. The what? Numerator. And this is known as the what? Denominator. 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 So now that's fraction. Now, when we're talking about, we also have mixed numbers. What did I say? Mixed numbers. Mixed numbers. This is a proper fraction. Proper fraction. Now, what will bring about mixed numbers? We know we have proper fraction. When they say something is proper, is normal. Is normal. So 1/2 is a proper fraction. 1/3 is a proper fraction. 2/3 is a proper. 4/5. Now, the one that the numerator is less than the denominator is a proper fraction. Now, improper fraction. Improper fraction. That's where we have 5/4, 3/2, 7/6, 8/6. Now you tell me what's common here. What is common is that the big numbers are what are the top, while the small numbers are below. Do you understand that? The big numbers are on top and the small numbers are below. That's the common thing in improper fractions. Why in proper fractions? Because it is proper. Small one comes before big one. Do you understand that? So the small one comes before the big one. Now, improper fractions will lead to what? Mixed fraction. Improper fractions will lead to mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. Now, mixed fraction. Now, how do we come about mixed fraction? When you, for example, now change 5/4 to a mixed fraction. How many 4 can we see in a 5? Only one, because 4 times 1 is 4, right? Only one. Remainder what? Remainder 1. So 1/4. Your denominator is still in place. Do we understand that? Do we understand? I hope we do. So let's go to another one. We have 8/6. So now, how many 6 can we see in it? Only one. Remainder what? So 6 times 1 is 6. So 8 minus 6 is what? 2. So remainder 2/6. You know we can split this into simpler terms. So we have 2/6. You say 2 here 1, 2 here 3. So that's what? 1/3. So this is a mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. So you can also convert these two. You can convert mixed fraction to improper fraction. Now if I say, for example 1, change this to an improper fraction. So this is what you do. So let's say you have 4 whole number 3 over 7. So I told you that this denominator is retained. So you write over 7. So you do 7 times 4 plus 3. So this 7 here times 4, this big number here, plus the 3 on top. So we have 28 plus 3. That's what? 31 over 7. Do you understand? So let's say we have another one. 2 number 4 over 6. You do your over 6 is constant. 6 times 2, you write it, then plus 4. 6 times 2, 12, plus 4 over 6. So that's what? 16 over 6. So I can simplify this one. 2 can go in 16, that's 8, and 2 can go in 6, that's 3. So that's 8 over 3. Do you understand that? Yeah. You can also express again as mixed number. We can express as mixed number. Express the following as a mixed number. Fraction is one interesting part of mathematics, and it is very important. There's nowhere you do maths that you will not meet fractions. There's no way that you do maths that you will not meet fractions. So express following as a mixed number. So we have a 19 over 8. So 19 divided by 8, 8 times 1, 8, 8 times 2, 16. So it's only 2. So and 16, right? 19 minus 16 is what? That's 3. So that's 2 number 3 over 8. We have another one. We have 11 over 4. So 11 divided by 4 is 2, because 4 times 2 is what? 8. So 11 minus 8 is what? 3. So that's 2 number 3 over 4. Do you understand? Fraction is very, 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 very simple. So we're going to equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. From the word equivalent, it means they are equal to each other. They are equal to each other. So that's what we say equivalent. So for example, now you say half. You say half is equals to this over 4. So now this is how you get the up one. 4 divided by 2 is what? Is 2. So now this 2 you get, you multiply it by here. So you say 1 times 2, that's 2. So that means 1 over 2 is equals to 2 over 4. And even the fraction that is next, you multiply by 2 again, since 2 is common. So 2 times 2 again, over 4 times 2. So you have 2 times 2 is what? 4. And 4 times 2 again is what? 8. You know, if you divide it, 4 and 4, 1. 8 divided by 4, 2. You know you still get 1 over 2. That's what we mean by equivalence, that they are equal to each other. So let's say we have another one. We have 2 over 3 is equals to. So now the first row, divide the ones that are like the ones that now if they give you the numerator, you divide both numerators. If they give you the denominators, you divide both denominators. So they give us the numerator. So you say 6 divided by 2. So that's what? 3. So to get our denominator, you say this 3 here. 3 times 3, that's what? 9. Do you understand that? I'll give another example. Now we have 2 over 3. No, 2 over 5 is equals to over 20. So what's the first thing you do? Divide the ones that the numbers are the same. That's 20 and 5. So 20 divided by 5 is what? 4. So now this 4 here, 2 times 4, that's what? 8. So here will be 8. Do you understand that? That's no. Now we have another one. 3 over 5 is equals to box over 15. So we say 15 divided by what? 5. That's what? 3, right? Then 3 times the 3 up, that's what? 9. Do you understand? We have another one to be 2 over 3 equals to box 18. So what did I say? You divide the ones that they're giving you. 18 divided by 3 is what? 6. Then 2 times 6, that's what? 12. Do you understand that? Now, we are looking well, now we're going to expressing in lowest terms. Expressing in lowest terms. When they say to express something in its lowest terms, expressing in lowest terms. Now, when we're talking about expressing in lowest terms, we're saying simplifying it to the lowest. Simplifying it to the lowest. Now, we have example. Now, we have 16 over 24. So 2 divided by 16 is what? 8. 2 divided by 24 is 12. You see that something can still go in this 2. 2 can go in it again. 2 divided by 8, 4. 2 divided by 12, 6. 2 again. 2 divided by 4, 2. 2 divided by 6, 3. So the answer is what? 2 over 3. Do you understand that? We have another one. We have 15 over 60. Okay, 5 can go in this. 5 in 15, 3. 5 in 60, 5 in 6, 1. Then remainder 1, 5 in 10, 2. 3 over 12. And 3 here, 1. 3 here, 4. Do you understand that? That's in lowest terms. You see that we cannot break this down again. So that will be all for today. I'll give you an assignment. Assignments that are simple for you. You can do it. Pa, 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 pa. So let me give you assignments. So now these 5 questions will be easy for you to digest. I would like everybody to submit. And if you have any question to ask me, simply come and put it in the comment section. See you tomorrow. Bye. It's still